Student, today we are going to do chapter 4, that is a practical geometry. In this practical geometry you will learn how to construct a quadrilateral with the help of compass, protractor and ruler. Clear? So in the class 7 you have done how to construct a triangles. Clear? Introduction, you have learnt how to draw triangles in class 7. We require 3 measurements to draw a unique triangle. Since the 3 measurements were enough to draw a triangle, a natural question arises whether 4 measurements would be sufficient to draw a unique 4-sided closed figure. So namely is a quadrilateral. In this chapter we will learn how to construct a quadrilateral. Clear? When these situations are given to you. Clear? The first one is when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. This is based on exercise. Exercise 4.1 is based on this concept. Next, when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, based on exercise 4.2. When 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, based on exercise 4.3. Clear? When 3 sides and 2 included diagonals are given, angles are given, based on exercise 4.4. Whether other special properties are known, based on exercise 4.5. In this chapter 5 exercises are there. First is 4 side 1 diagonal is given. Clear? Next exercise based on 2 diagonal 3 sides are given. Next exercise 2 adjacent side 3 angles are given. Next exercise 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Clear? Next one is other special properties are known, based on the properties of quadrilateral. Clear? Now today we are going to start exercise 4.1 based on the concept when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Clear? So let's start. Let's start the first question. Construct the following quadrilateral. First is quadrilateral ABCD. AB is given 4.5 centimeter. BC is given 5.5 centimeter. CD is given 4 centimeter. AD is given 6 centimeter and AC is given a 7 centimeter. First of all, identify it. Which one is a diagonal? How you will identify a diagonal? These are the continuous alphabets A, B, C, D. Clear? If the alphabets are continuous, then you can say that it is a side. See, AB is a side because there is a no alphabet in between. BC is also continuous, so that means it is a side. Next is CD. CD is also side because there is a no gap in between the alphabet. AD is also a side. Next, AC. Here AC, there is a gap of one alphabet, so that means it's a diagonal. Clear? Now construct a quadrilateral on your notebook. I have already drawn the rough sketch on my paper. Clear? This is a mandatory, you have to draw it. Clear? Now see the complete sketch. First of all, what you will do, which is the diagonal is given, that you have to draw it on your copy. That measurement is a 7 centimeter. Always start from a diagonal. हम ये क्वेश्चन हमेशा डायगोनल से ही बनाना स्टार्ट करेंगे. Diagonal is given 7 centimeter. First of all, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment of a 7 centimeter. Give a name as A to C. That is a 7 centimeter. Clear? Now see, from the rough sketch, the distance from A to B is 4.5 centimeter. Open a compass 4.5 centimeter. Keep it at point A, tip of the compass at point A. Then to make a center, to make a radius, draw an arc on upper part. Clear? Now check it from distance C to B. The distance is 5.5. Open a compass 5.5 and keep it on point at a C. After that, cut the arc which you have already made. Clear? Now next step is, now measure check the distance from A to D, that is a 6 centimeter. Open a compass 6 centimeter and draw an arc. Draw an arc. Keep it at point A. At the downward you will draw an arc. Next, from C point, the distance is 4 centimeter. Now open a compass 4 centimeter. Keep it at point C and cut the arc. Where both the arcs are intersecting, give it name as a B. Here is a D. Then join with the BC, B with a C, B with a A. After that, with a D, from C to D, join it. Now you will get a quadrilateral, and after that label it, write down the measurement: 4.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter, CD 4 centimeter and AD is 6 centimeter. Clear? If you have any doubt, then please tell to me. Clear? Next question is question number 2. Here it is given a quadrilateral JUMP, jump. Clear? JU is given 3.5 centimeter, MU is given 4 centimeter, PM is given 5 centimeter and PJ is equal to 4.5 centimeter. PU is given 6.5 centimeter. Same as the first one question concept, that is a first draw a line segment which is a diagonal one on your notebook. This is a rough sketch. Which you have to mandatory to you have to draw it. Clear? Now I am going to draw a complete sketch. Children, you will write the step of construction by your own. हम हमेशा डायगोनल से स्टार्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी विल ड्रॉ अ डायगोनल on our paper, that is a 6.5 centimeter line segment. Give a name as a PU 6.5 centimeter. Now draw a triangle from a PLPAU. Okay. Open a compass 4.5 centimeter. Draw an arc. After that, from U to J, the distance is 3. Open a compass 3.5 centimeter. Then after that, keep the tip of the compass at point U and cut the previous arc which you have already made. Next is from U to M. The distance is 4 centimeter. Open a compass 4 centimeter. From now keep it at point U. Make an arc at the downward. Clear? Then from P to M, the distance is of 5 centimeter. cut the arc now. Where both the arcs are intersecting, give a name as U. Here the name is M. After that, join P, U and J, U. Then U, M. After that, P, M. Here label it. PU is 4.5 centimeter. Next is JU 3.5 centimeter. UM 4 centimeter. PM is a 5 centimeter. Clear? You will get a quadrilateral JUMP. Hope you can understand it.